Hey guys, what's up? This is Prashi, and in today's video we're going to talk about grey hair coverage. I know it's not going to be an elaborate DIY or a hair coloring routine, no. It's going to be a very quick temporary fix, like you can literally do this in a matter of seconds. Now you might have even heard about this product before, which is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. It's very popular internationally. I have seen a lot of influencers talk about it in the past. For me, comparatively, it has been a much more recent discovery, but honestly such a game changer. Now before I proceed and talk about this product a little bit more in detail, let me show you what my hair actually looks like. So this is how my hair looks up close. I do have a few strands of graying hair here and there. So premature graying hair has also become a very common issue these days. Having said that, I don't have a lot of gray hairs, but suppose you have a lot of gray hair, okay? So like maybe you colored your hair 2 months back and now it's all grown out. So you have a lot of gray hair peeking out from the roots. You can completely use it for that as well. It's not like you just have to use it in 1 or 2 strands. You can use it completely for gray hair coverage as well on the roots. So that is what this product really does. Now, why I feel that this product is extremely relevant for times like these, especially number one, during the pandemic, it's very much understandable if you don't want to step out to salons. You want to do your own beauty treatments at home as much as possible. This is something which can help you with that. Okay, before you sit for your Zoom meetings, for your Zoom calls, with your classes, with your family meetings, you don't want anyone to tease you for your graying hair. This is just something which you can use for that, for a quick fix. It's also great for all those days when you're just feeling lazy or you just don't want to go through the whole hassle of coloring your hair at home, or if you just don't feel comfortable. This is just something that you can use on all of those days. And the reason why it works so beautifully, so gloriously, is because it gives you a temporary fix which lasts up till your next shampoo. So I just used it before shooting my video today, right? I will not be shampooing my hair today or tomorrow. I plan to shampoo my hair day after tomorrow. So this will last till day after tomorrow for me. And it's such a fantastic product because, like I just said, it takes hardly a few seconds. It gives you that quick fix and it looks completely natural. So more on that later. Let me first tell you how to use this product. So as you can see, it comes in this very handy can, by the way. So very easy to just hold, carry around also if you want to do that. And by the way, the shade that I have picked up is black. There's also dark brown. They have other shades, right? So there is this dark brown shade. So if you have dark brown hair color, you can pick that up for yourself. I'll put the links to the details in the description box below if you want to check it out. So going back to how to use this, just pick it up, give it a little shake and spray it on your hair. It has this micro diffuser, by the way. Let me just show this to you, which allows you to give a very nice targeted spraying. And there is very little wastage because of this. If you want, you can use it directly on the roots of your hair as well, because it's an ammonia free product. You can use it very easily, and that's all you have to do. Shake, spray and stay. That's all you have to do, literally. Very handy, very easy to use, and like I said, it's ammonia free. And here's a quick tip that I want to share with you all, because I've been using it for a while now. Number one, use it on dry hair. Don't use it on wet or damp hair. Use it on dry hair, number one. Number two, give it about 1 minute to settle down. Okay, and after that, what you will notice is that it's a completely smudge proof, transfer proof formula. So it doesn't smudge or transfer on your, on your clothes, on your hands, on your hairbrush. And when let me just show this to you. So if I just comb through my hair, I've used it, right? And now when I'm combing through my hair, do you see my hair doesn't get dry, frizzy, weird, or lumpy, clumpy, anything. It just combs through beautifully, very nicely. So it actually, blends in very naturally with your hair, giving it a shine, giving it that boost of shine, and just very natural. Like nobody can tell that I've actually used this spray on my hair. And the fact that it will last in my next shampoo just means that it's like super handy. So in one can, it gives you up to 25 uses, and considering that each time it will last for so long, this one can would ideally last you for a very long span of time. Now let me first show you a quick before after clip of how my hair was looking before, and in just a few seconds after the uses, how the hair looks. So the transformation is so visible, and it is so real and so fantastic because of the fact that it takes literally the least amount of effort. One thing I would recommend, guys, that this spray, like when you're using the spray, do not wet your hair. Do not like if you're sweating too much, just take a little extra care during that time. And excessive moisture, water, not good. Okay, so stay away from these things if you really want this color to last for a much longer time. And yeah, that's pretty much all about it, guys. That's all you have to know. That's all you have to do. Very handy, very easy to use. Give it a try. If you still have any questions, let me know your questions in the comment section below. Of course, I would love to get back to you guys, help you out if you have any queries. As for this product in itself, I'll put the link in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. This one can is a 75 ml can, which retails for rupees 299, and like I just said, it gives you up to 25 users, so that's a lot of users, right? And yeah, that's about it. I think I've covered all the points that I wanted to mention and all the tips and tricks that I have in mind that I wanted to share. If I can think of something else later, I'll put in the description box below as well for you guys to check it out. But yeah, that's all you need to know. So yes guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.